What up, everybody? Unlicensed assassin. And back with another one. E-bike haul continuation. So third or fourth or fifth item, I don't know. I lost track, but we're getting there. This is the bee helmet, Ducky helmet with the bee. Yeah. So I got one with the bee, but it has a helmet and a propeller, and it looked like this. Okay, got my little homie, got his sunglasses, and we flapping. Okay, we rotating. We rotating on them 24s. And guess what else we doing? Whack, whack. We lighting up too. Say we ain't. All right, y'all. Deuces.